Welcome back to Rolling Legends. Today, we're diving into a luxury sedan that blends Scandinavian elegance with cutting-edge technology at the 2026 Volvo S90. If you're into refined design, advanced safety, and effortless performance, this flagship sedan is one to watch. The 2026 S90 carries Volvo's signature minimalist design language. It doesn't scream for attention, instead, it commands it with subtle confidence. The clean lines, long wheelbase, and the signature Thor's hammer-LED headlights give it a classy, modern presence on the road. For 2026, Volvo has refined the front grille and added new wheel designs that emphasize the car's premium character. There's also a fresh color palette that reflects Volvo's Scandinavian roots, offering shades that look natural and upscale. Inside the cabin, the S90 continues to impress with a blend of natural materials, intuitive tech, and quiet sophistication. The interior feels more like a lounge than a car. Think open-pore wood, soft Nappa leather, and a layout that emphasizes calm and clarity. Volvo's latest Google-based infotainment system takes center stage with a sleek 14.5-inch touchscreen. It's responsive, easy to use, and comes with built-in Google Maps, Assistant, and Play Store access. The digital gauge cluster is crisp and highly customizable, giving drivers the data they need with minimal distraction. One of the most appealing aspects of the S90 is how it treats its passengers. The legroom is exceptional, making it a real alternative to traditional long-wheelbase luxury sedans. Optional features like massaging seats, a Bowers Wilkins sound system, and 4-zone climate control elevate the experience even further. Whether you're behind the wheel or relaxing in the back, the S90 offers a serene ride. Under the hood, the 2026 S90 is powered by Volvo's latest mild hybrid and plug-in hybrid powertrains. The mild hybrid V6 model features a turbocharged 4-cylinder engine paired with a 48-volt system, offering around 295 horsepower and smooth power delivery. For those wanting more electric range and performance, the plug-in hybrid T8 Recharge delivers up to 455 horsepower and over 40 miles of electric-only driving, making it a perfect blend of performance and efficiency. On the road, the S90 feels composed and confident. It's not a sports sedan, but it doesn't try to be. Instead, it delivers a smooth, controlled ride with light but accurate steering. Volvo's adaptive suspension system adjusts on the fly to provide the right balance of comfort and stability, whether you're cruising down the highway or navigating city streets. Of course, Volvo's dedication to safety is unmatched. The 2026 S90 includes an upgraded suite of driver assistance features, including adaptive cruise control, lane keeping aid, blind spot monitoring, and Volvo's Pilot Assist system, which provides semi-autonomous driving support. These features make every journey safer and more relaxing. The 2026 Volvo S90 doesn't chase trends, it sets its own course. It's a car for those who appreciate design, comfort, and responsibility. With its luxurious interior, electrified performance, and advanced safety, the S90 remains a true rolling legend. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more legends on wheels.